day to you, sir and madam. I'm Madonna Carcido, 24 years old, separated. I have one child.
Good day, Miss Madonna. How are you today?
I'm good, sir and madam.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristic of a good domestic helper?
Sir and madam, the good characteristic of being domestic helper is being patient, obedient, honesty, and hardworking.
Since you're a mother, can you tell us the proper way taking care of the children?
Sir and madam, the proper way of taking children is giving him right vitamins, giving him food, taking a bath every day, and love him as my own children.
So what if you commit mistake to your employer, what will you do?
Sir and madam, if I commit a mistake, I will apologize and I will say I will not do it again.
So what is your last message to your future employer?
Sir and madam, please do hire me because I really need this job. I want to help my family. I want to send my son in better school to have his better future. And I promise that if you hire me, I will serve and love your family as my own. And I promise also that I'll do my best in my duties and responsibilities in my 2 years contract.
Okay, thank you, Miss Madonna. Hope to see you soon in abroad.
Thank you, sir and madam.